When we go travelling, we tend to do what the locals do, as they do it. And Nay's found a dentist, and she's asking how much to have her teeth cleaned. Nay's out of the dental practice, and he's what?
He's too old to understand all this thing.
So, lack of communication, and we're using a very good translating app, has beaten Nay to a pulp this morning. We've been in Kunming for 3 days, but this is the first time we've come to Kunming station. It is a swill of body odour and cigarette smoke. It's not pleasant coming out of the station. And we can't find out how to get out of this area here. So we just asked old mate, and have we got his last translation? And his last translation is, this is the relocation of China and Japan.
Where is Kunming downtown? This thing is really next to it. So it's around here.
It's very hard to get an answer about anything. So we are looking now to go over there. We're going to go over here. They look like they're very serious, the soldiers. So I was just telling Naomi, be careful filming the soldiers. Oh yeah, look, there's a little walkway down here. So we think if we go down here, we might get out. Railway exit here, over here. Okay, so we had no luck talking to anybody about the CBD, and we came to Kunming station on the red-blue line. Kunming station is not Kunming CBD. So we're going to jump back on the train, retrace our tracks 3 stops north. We're here. That is not city centre. So you've got to go back to where the blue and pink, purple lines meet. We're at the train station, and we use these machines, not a problem. But this is the second time a $5 note hasn't been accepted. So there was a fellow here, and he's gone and taken the note, had a look at it, and he's gone, no. So it might be too old to use, it could be too new to use. We don't know, because that's a fresh note. Yeah, it's a fairly new note. So we'll get an explanation from him when he comes back via the translator. So the reason the 5 won't work is because it's too new. So we've just got a brand new one. They seem to go through. We've used heaps of those. And we'll see how we fare. Caught our train. We're at the Dongfeng station. We say Feng, because that's how we see it, pronounce it. And this is the CBD. It's a lot less hectic, I got to tell you, than the Kunming station was. But that Kunming station is a junction for country trains, I dare say. So we will explore that later on. We will be coming back after we go to Nanning and a couple other places, and we'll see how we go about jumping on a country train. I'm going to go to where it says Spring City, assuming Spring City is indeed the city centre of Kunming. I'm going to try one of those, not knowing what it is. I'm going to try one. Just one, please. So that's $3.50. Cash is king. Oh, very nice. Try that.
It's like a custard.
It's a custard tart. It's delicious.
That's it.
Spring City 66 isn't the CBD, but it is a shopping centre. There's a Japanese shopping retail outlet there. You've got Lego, Ray-Ban. So we'll have a walk through here. One step up from a mobile phone is this bad boy. It's the SU7. And this is the Ultra. And it's the world's quickest electric car, and indeed the world's quickest car. And I think it's beautiful. It fits me well.
Is it?
The colour is good.
You good?
Steering wheel is all right.
What's it like?
You need that. It's beautiful. Look at the colours. Black and yellow. What more could you want?
Oh, mighty tigers.
Mighty tigers. This is it. Look at that. This is the world's quickest car. It smells like leather. It feels like leather. Yeah. Suede just like the Calais at home. That's very nice. Very nice indeed. It's a very nice car. I would never own an electric car. Something's missing for me in the middle. It's a gear shift lever. But no, she feels nice. She's the part. Yeah. And they're affordable. I don't know if I've mentioned before, we're using Surfshark VPN here in China. It works, but we're forever changing countries. So you'll have internet 1 minute and then it's gone the next.
Right, let's go.
A change of countries, a quick connect. You're bored? Naomi's bored. Alright, so let's go up to street level and exit from here. This is our first look at the city proper. This is where we just came out from, which is the Spring City. This is the Beijing road exit from the metro. These are first glances of the CBD proper. Yet we're still as unsure how we're going to get across to there or anywhere else. Perhaps back into the metro and turn left. I don't know. Direction we're heading is unknown. But this is Shangri-Ji here. Yeah, we'll cross the road. We're crossing the road here. We're walking aimlessly as we go. Careful, careful, they're not going to stop.
Lots of people down there.
There's lots of people down there. There's a barber shop there as well. I need a haircut, you might have noticed.
You wanna go that
No, we'll go this way and we'll take a ride at the intersection. What way do you go from here? What looks like more fun is probably a question, but is it really going to be fun? There's a guy lying on the road down there. Someone's been run over by the look of things. And the coppers are redirecting traffic as we speak. And his scooter is down there as well. He's on his mobile phone, so he's lying on the road, but he should be right. He's got his mobile phone in hand. And yeah, a bit of action in downtown Kunming. It's bound to happen because people just dive in and out, as you do. Doesn't matter if it's China, Indonesia, or Philippines. Let's see what we can see down here, Moshi Moshi.
Australian chicks. You're very good.
还好吃的哈，几个口味的都可以吃。
Can we get a bag of those?
Yeah, of course. That's got a little seaweed on it. I don't think you'll like it.
Oh, seaweed?
Yeah, I'll like it. I want to try.
Alright.
That'd be good.
Try. You're not filming.
啊
好吃吗？这个也可以尝的，可以尝。
Let's get a spice stuff on it.
Spicy.
Spicy, that's mala.
Mala?
对对对，
Mala? What's mala?
That's spice.
你们还是会讲中文的吗
Was it?
Oh, beautiful.
？beautiful，非常好。
Officially.
But this one, this one.
Let me get this too.
一样的酱，都是一样的，都是一样的。
我们家有20多种菜，比如卤牛肉、凉鸡、南甜、卤鸡、卤鹅，还有我这个甩手工薄荷饭和蘸肉，家人们，味道很好。我在食材新鲜。
They are very, very
他就是
delicious.
会做朋友，吃饭时的吃，然后是水土话
They are very delicious.
这不带得到180元一次的
非常美味。
家人们，吃饭时的吃味道很好。还有我家呢，上特色的炸鸭、炸豆腐。 小饭1块，大饭10块，小饭时的吃，
啥都给你添上了，把他们。
我在食材新。
14.98, 16.
现在那个弟弟，
谢谢。They are good.
听不懂啊，他
听不懂，我听不懂，
你听得懂吗？
我听不懂，
Japan.
我
他也
听不懂，
听不懂，
What did we do?
听不懂，听不懂。
听不懂我们昆明话。我现在讲的是这个
听不懂。
啊，谢谢啊。
谢谢。
谢谢。
This is a restaurant eatery we just found, and then we just ordered food. This lady here spoke a little bit of English and helped us order.
Pork. We've got a wonton soup coming. That'll be coming shortly. So this is the complete 40 yuan meal. $8.50 in Australian currency. And we can't wait to try it. This is in the heart of KUNMING. It's got a very nice spice to the pork, and that dipping sauce is also spicy and it's delicious.
These are
No
the
veggies.
sauces, different sauces.
Yeah, this one's nice.
Nice.
Yeah. Might be a bit salty for me, but it's delicious nonetheless. The dumplings are exquisite as well.
You want the spoon?
No, I'll just get a chopstick on there. If I can grab it. Oh, it's hot, both in spice and temperature. Oh my god. That is divine, my God. The food here today has been exquisite, really has. Double-decker bus in KUNMING. That's where we came out of when we finally got to the CBD. We're heading back up this way for a money exchange. I want to do some walking by the river. There's a river just to our left. On this side we have the majesty of this little river, and I'll get the name of it at some point. And on this side we have the tragedy of a... You got too close to me. No damage. No real damage, but no one's hurt. But they will block the road for well, God knows how long. But no one cares.
Very good job.
It's very pretty, isn't it? So just making our way down to the river, and we'll walk down by the river and see what that looks like.
What do you call it? They're taking blood.
Oh, it's blood, is there?
Yeah. What do you call it?
How do you know it's blood? Blood test?
Yeah. Not blood test, donating.
Oh, donating blood. Blood donations. Yeah.
I guess if you can't use that, we use it.
Yeah.
Is there police? Is that real? No, that's not a person.
What's not a person?
Oh, I thought that was a statue.
No, it's a policeman, but What's this behind there though? What's behind there? Got all the rock.
It's like a mountain.
Ni hao. No, not interested. Everywhere you go in China, it's always gardens. The nature strips, the medium strips. Everywhere. Yeah, that's a parkland in there of some description. Goodness knows. But yeah, very picturesque, very beautiful. So this is the river. We're walking here. So let's have a look. Didn't film any of that as I went past. Ni hao, ni hao. Couple of old gentlemen having a relax. Look at this garden over here. It's beautiful. It's just so easy to walk around. It's pleasant to do so. And if it's pleasant to do so, it's not a chore. So there's a police box, as on most big intersections there will be one. Look out for the guys on the scooters and the girls. Look at this. It's even got a wheeze. They've got weeds growing out up the top. But how good's that? That's just cool. It just started raining again. But yeah, butterfly there. Yeah, it's a fish. Could be. There's a hand there. Yeah. So we're back on the river trail, heading back towards the train station. And the crowd's got bigger here for this card game. So it must be intense. Must be intense. Ni hao, hello, ni hao. And these guys are all gathered, and a young lady over here. They're playing cards. Look at that. Lovely. Under the tree, sheltered from the rain. Beautiful. Unnoticed on our walk coming up this street, you see a little deer over there. We came up here earlier, we're coming back down. There's some sort of book exchange or a library on the side of the road there. Making our way through an ocean of scooters and rental bikes. Look at this. There's space for you though. I mean, they're everywhere. There's space for you. This chick's going to find a spot to park, and she's in there. Look, she's gone. That's it, done. Oh, we can cross the road here, Mashamosh. So let's cross the road. So you've got to watch behind you as well. And they're often coming along the pedestrian crossing. But now, this wasn't here last time we were in China. They've got a spot for scooters just there, individually. They used to come across the crossing with you.